Hi, man. Take care. Shop careful, stay free, and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Hello, Trip.
Hey, Misty. How are you?
Got my little...
About a 261, how about a 261? You still got a copy on 243, Sammy?
Hey, Grizzly, got it all that time, 261. Utah waving that hand right back at you.
10-4. Well, that'd be good if he can, right?
10-4, Grizzly Bear. I appreciate that bump down there.
Well, you know. When these days I expect to be in one of those places, I don't know. I was saying one of these days I expect to be in one of those places.
I tell you what, it ain't no fun, buddy.
I know I plan on bringing a noose.
Yeah.
Just rolling on through 122 northeast corner, state of Maine.
Holy moly.
You sound like a local, man. Hey, 122, you sound like a local, and I'm waving right back.
Well, 261, I gotta tell you, you better keep a few of those flowers, because I think Mother Nature lined you right up here to the northeast corner, because, hey, you're just rolling in like a train out of Utah, no doubt. 122 waving from the corner.
I appreciate it, 122.
I'll talk at you later.
Hey, I heard a station out of Texas. I didn't catch the numbers, but absolutely I heard a station out of Texas rolling to New England, 122 bumping it back.
I'll try one more time, 122.
Well, this is me.
You got 640 out there in Texas, 122.
Oh, I got a whole bunch of them coming back. Was that 640 you said, 243?
Yep, Joe, 640.
649.
Now you got 460 out here in West Texas, but anyway.
Oh. 460
Down here in West Texas, 460 standby.
And there you go, 460. That go around, you was in there like Flynn, no doubt. On Mother Nature lined you right up. 460, West Texas, I believe you said. 122, a state of Maine waving that way.
Got it.
Gotta go do some things and all.
Oh, coming right back your way.
Got it out there, 122. Have yourself a great one out that way, 73s. 460, we're standing.
Right back at you, 460. 460 Texas, you have yourself a good day. Sounding good? 122 northeast corner, Maine back out. Bye-bye.
Old Mother Nature, she's dipping and diving for sure.
Oh, it's dipping and diving, and when it rolls in, you get a bunch, so it's just hard sometimes. Thank you for letting me know there, 243.
Man, I'm still here reading that mail.
Roger, 122, no doubt about it. Always my pleasure. 243, I'm back quiet.
I still got you rolling on my radio. There's still a lot of Mother Nature left here. I'm talking all over the place. You sound good on my radio. 261 Utah said it. more, Nitro. I got it all. Enjoy your DX, and I'll be back on the mail. Yeah, 10-4. I think I'm just barely below 7,000 feet, if I remember right. I'm somewhere in that range. Somewhere between 5,000 and 7,000.
Well, that's a pretty big range if you don't know.
It sure helps a lot.
I'm somewhere between 418 and 425. I got about a 7-foot difference. I wish I had about a 2,000-foot variance. Man, would that be nice.
Winds are picking up over here, Screwdriver. I'm thinking you must be really getting hit by them.
Yeah, it's getting pretty nasty. I actually got to go outside and unplug my inflatable Santa and all that crap. He's out there trying to do wheelies and blow away on me, so I think I got to go unplug and let everything deflate for the night.
Yeah, I can hear the old wind howling through here, so I'm thinking, damn, you got higher elevation, so it must be really hitting you pretty good.
Yeah, I'm watching the rain go sideways past my window out of the office right now.
Yeah, Roger.
I think someone hooked our coax together. That's what I'm always saying. Somebody's hooking our coax up.
No, 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 no.
Hook them coaxes directly together and key up. No doubt about it. They call it AT&T.
Waving. I hear you out there, Walt Smalls Man. I've got you up in my receive as well, Walt Smalls Man in DC 261 Utah with that.
Sounds like it's actually coming in more vertical right now.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap, there you are. What is happening?
Oh, not much. And you?
Oh, you're listening to it. Puddling, working, puddling, sitting.
Yeah. The guy out in Utah is pretty freaking loud.
Yes, sir.
Man out here around Arizona reading. Pretty much all I'm hearing in my receive.
I've actually had the horizontal on most of the day, and yeah, flip back and forth occasionally when I sit down, but been louder on horizontal most of the day.
Again, 2112 261 still hears you.
But I can't really pull you out when you're on horizontal.
Roger.
At 138. Hello, 138. Hello, 138. We don't know sounding good out there. Got around San Antonio, break. 138, there's Kool-Aid man out here in Arizona waving, and I got down. I guess my 10-watt radio ain't got no condition. Mockingbird.
Well, pretty good, man. How you doing?
State of Maine, no doubt about it. 243, waving a hand. San Antonio, no doubt.
Not rough and tough.
Oh, there, 243.
Oh, I heard you in there. Holy crap. Well, 161, but definitely got some noise in there. But yeah, feeling a lot better, man. Getting back to normal.
No doubt about it, San Antonio, 243, and I'm back quiet.
I got that right. 261 Utah waving.
Wishaw's 20.
That damn 243 riling everybody up. Gotta love it.
Hey, this Kool-Aid, man. I try. If you're asking 243 what his 20 is, you're talking to Maine. 243, back quiet.
Okay, roger there, 243. Okay, take care. Mockingbird on 2 lots down around San Antonio, reading the mail.
Roger that, Mockingbird. Loud and proud on that 10 watts. You're making a fine trip to the Pine Tree State. 243, I'm back quiet.
Would that be 2 bird watts? A Mockingbird, would that be 2 bird watts?
In my hand again, 261 Utah waving. 10 radio.
2 in the bush is better than 1 in the hand, or something.
Something like that, but I hear a hand of Mockingbird. I'm thinking that's, and he's on 2 watts. I'm thinking that's 2 bird watts. But hey, I might have it wrong.
That's,
Thinking it's probably closer to 2 kilowatts, but hey, you know, whatever works for him.
We hear you, Mockingbird. Come again. Come again. 122's got a question for you.
Everybody out there, I'll tell you what, it sure sounds like I have a big party in my backyard. Hey, I'll tell you what, DX.
Mockingbird, I got an earful of Utah right now there, but hey, I can hear you when they unkey, but hey, you are making it in style with those couple of watts. I gotta tell you, it's just a couple bigger stations out there right now, no doubt. But hey, Mockingbird, have a good day, sounding good out of Texas.
Roger, roger. Hello, 122. Keep my radio right up. Hey, Don Juan, you cleaned my radio right up. 261 Utah, waving right back again. Hey, anybody out there copy South Texas? Break.
Go ahead. South Texas. 119, state of Maine.
10-4, state of Maine. You're coming in good down here. I was just taking see if this radio get up.
Yeah, you're sounding real good up here in the state of Maine, too. No doubt about it. 119, Central Maine.
I got a good one. This is 359 Texas. I made stuff myself. Hey, Don Juan, that Dave Made station is definitely rocking it down here in Utah. And I'm looking into some Dave Made myself. Hey, brother. 10-4, Don Juan, I appreciate it. 7-3's my friend. Enjoy your DX. And I'm back on the side. Man, it got really rough and tough on me down here.
Well, that helped you out any, 261? Wonder if that helped you out any, no doubt. 122 in and out.
Happy holidays, 122. 122, I got you back in my radio. Hey, 122, you just cleaned my receive up, and I'm waving right back with the holiday wave.
I'll wave right back at you. 261, it's the 261 talk show up here in New England, I gotta tell you. Sounding good, sir. Got it going on. Out of Utah. 122 back up.
Always a pleasure, 122. And I'll be back on the mail.
We're looking for conditions.
I'll tell you what, the world's smallest man, you're still making the trip to Utah. Hey, world's smallest man, you're making the trip to Utah still. 261 with the holiday wave from Utah. Hey, world's smallest man, you got the hammer down. Holiday wave from Los Angeles, and I'm back on the mail. man. Take care, my friend. Always a pleasure on this end until we do it again. And I'm back on the south.
How about it, 261 Utah? You got a copy on the 525 up here in the Pine Tree State of Maine?
I hear someone out there. I do hear someone out there saying, hey, 261, but it's rough and tough. Then I heard 400 watts, and that's what I'm doing is about 400 watts on a Mako 5-element beam. That's about all I've got.
Well, those watts are well trained, I gotta tell you.
I'm glad those watts are working. I'm trying to get the best of what I've got.
There you go.
Audio 10-4. I hear you out there, big right? 261 Utah waving. Well, about right there.
How about it, 261 in Utah? 260 Utah, you got a
Baltimore. Received from Baltimore, Big Hill. 261 Utah with the holiday wave. 007 in the big horn reading the mail. Big Hammer in Suburban, I heard it. Big Hammer, I got it all. That was all.